A very good morning, students. Which lesson we have started yesterday? Plant world. Yes, and I hope कि आपने सबने वो लेसन पढ़ा होगा, पढ़ाई की होगी, है ना? तो चलो, कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था? आपको मालूम है? कल हमने पढ़ा था plants growing in cold regions. Which plants are growing in the cold regions? कौन से plants ऐसे होते हैं जो कोल्ड जैसे ठंडी जगहों पर आते हैं? कौन से थे? टॉल पाइन्स थे, पाइन्स ट्री होते हैं जो बहुत ही बड़े ऊंचे होते हैं. देवदार इज वेरी कॉस्टली एंड फील्ड ट्रीज, ये जो है कोल्ड रीजन में आते हैं. देन प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग इन वार्म रीजन, जो गर्म एरिया होता है, जो अपना मराठवाड़ा भी गर्म एरिया है, उसमें कौन से प्लांट्स होते हैं? जैसे मैंगो, नीम, पीपल, बनियन. यस और नो, दिस ट्रीज आर ग्रोइंग इन द वार्म रीजन्स. प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग इन द नियर द सी, जैसे कि ओशंस ऑफ सी, समुद्र के पास में कौन कौन से ट्री होते हैं? कोकोनट और पाम ट्रीज आर ग्रोइंग नियर टू द ओशंस. प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग इन रीजन्स विद हेवी रेनफॉल्स, जहां बहुत सारी बारिश होती है, वहां कौन कौन से पेड़ आते हैं? रबर आता है, राइस आता है, टीक आता है, पुंड, बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज आती है जहाँ हेवी रेनफॉल होता है. जहाँ हेवी रेनफॉल होता है वही एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट भी होता है. आज हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग इन रीजन्स विथ हेवी रेनफॉल. ठीक है, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. द ट्री then asked, what about the land with heavy rainfall and the deserts? So the tree asked to the Bittu, tell me, what about the where the heavy rains are falling and the deserts? हेवी रेनफॉल जहाँ गिरता है और डेजर्ट के बारे में हमें कुछ बताओ. Bittu replied, then he has given the answers. Oh, the rainforest, it's the best place, isn't it? With plenty of water available, it is the home to a large variety of plants, ranging from tall trees such as wildjack, bishopwood, teak, pun tree, to shrubs such as chhatri. So, heavy rainfall is the good place to among all the places. Why? Because it is getting the heavy rainfall, it's getting a lot of water, and wherever we can get the lot of water, what we will get? We will get the lot of plants. The plants are growing, some shrubs are growing, and big plants are growing from this. Yes or no? In other areas with heavy rainfall, rubber and rice are grown, which are very useful to humans. So everyone knows that rubbers, rice, everyone are like to eat the rice. Yes or no? So wherever the heavy rainfalls are there rice are growing a lot of. The tree said, I am sure that you must have enjoyed visiting the evergreen rainforest. Now tell me about the deserts. So tree said, I know you have done lot of enjoyment in the heavy evergreen forest. Yes or no? Wherever heavy evergreen forest are there, evergreen forest means wherever always are rains, and that trees are looking always green. That's why it's called the evergreen forest. The tree said, now tell me about the deserts. Now you have to inform me about the deserts. Okay. Then plants growing in deserts. So, yes. Which plants are growing in the deserts? Cactus, hickory and date palm. Everyone's like that one. Yes or no? हम बोलते हैं उनको मराठी में खारिक. Yes. और हिंदी में बोलते खजूर. Bittu replied, the journey over the deserts was tough. Okay, the journey in the desert, it was very, very tough. Why? Because in the deserts, we know that we are getting the very less rains, the temperature is the very hot, and nights are very, very cold. So that's why the Bittu is saying that the journey in the desert is the very, very tough. The weather was very hot during the day and cold in the night. So during the day the weather is very, very hot, and during the night the weather is very, very cold. The deserts plants are quite tough, I must say. They look like green gems on the dry lands. So in the deserts, these plants are looking like gems, green gems. Yes, of course. Because if you see everywhere are that the only sand. In that sand you will get the one of the green plant, small green plant. What do you think? your eyes will feel the very means you will believe, you will not believe yourself, because you will look like that plants will look like a gems. The plants look like a gems. I found cactus, kicker and date palm growing in the desert. So which plants are growing in the deserts? Cactus, kicker and date palm. All these plants are thorny plants. Yes or no? On these plants there are the big thorns are there. Why these trees are developing thorns? Because no one can eat to that the plant. Yes or no? Because they are can survive, and you will get their leaves, very less leaves you will get on that the plants, because they can save their water also. That's why they have the very less and very small plants, small leaves on that the plant. So from there we have to go to the aquatic plants. Yes or no? Plants that grow partly or fully immersed in water are called aquatic plants. So what do you mean aquatic plants? Which plants are growing in the water? That plants are called the aquatic plants. Did you get a chance of seeing the beautiful lotus or national flowers? Asked the tree in the enthusiasm. So tree asked very enthusiasm. The tree asked to the Bitu, have you seen our national flower or beautiful lotus? Then Bitu has replied, yes, and many other aquatic ones also. Bitu replied. He continues, the sight of the aquatic plants was so existing. I found a tiny duckweed and water handkerchief floating on water. The beautiful lotus remained fixed as it has its roots planted in the soil under water. So have you seen the lotus plants or some of the water plants? I hope maybe you have seen that the water plants, and many of the students have not seen the water plants. But when our school will start, definitely we will visit to the some of the places where we will see like that all the water plants. So from there also we will get the more information, and from your eyes you will see that some of the water plants like lotus, some of the duckweed plants. Yes or no? Their roots are very long. If you take the lotus plants upside, you will get this much big roots are there, because the roots are fixed into the under the soil. Okay. I could not see the hydrilla myself. So hydrilla plants also there in the water plant. Hydrilla plant is that it can grow in the under the water only. That's called the hydrilla plant. One of my friends who knew how to swim got me picture of the hydrilla. These plants are found underwater. So hydrilla plants we can get under the water. If we know swimming, so we can go under the water and we can see that the hydrilla plants. Yes or no? But if you don't do try at your home, आपको ऐसा कुछ भी ट्राई नहीं करना. अगर आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती तो आप पानी के पास नहीं जाने का आपको. ठीक है. अगर आपको कोई घर में बड़े हैं कोई है तो आप जा सकते हैं, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. जब स्कूल शुरू हो जाएगा हम आपको प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि हम आपको ऐसी जगह लेके जाएंगे जिस जगह पर पानी बहुत है और पानी में लोटस, हाइड्रेला, एंजिथ लाइक दिस प्लांट्स आपको मिलेंगे और हम देखेंगे, हम स्टडी करेंगे. लेकिन आपको अकेले किसी भी पानी की जगह पर नहीं जाना. ठीक है. The tree said, did you get the leaves I wanted for my herbarium? Can you show them to me? The tree asked to the Bitu. Can you show? Did you get the leaves? Because herbariums, where we can mount it, label that one, the plant leaves. So that tree wants some of the leaves, different types of the leaves. So Bitu said, yes, I have brought that one. Bitu replied, oh yes, I got the leaves you wanted me to bring. But what are you going to do with them? So Bitu said that, yes, I have brought the leaves for you. But what are you going to do with that the leaves? मैंने आपके लिए बहुत सारे leaves लाए हैं, लेकिन आप वो leaves का करोगे क्या? फिर ट्री ने बताया, herbarium, a collection of dried plants mounted, labeled and systematically arranged for use in scientific study. सो हैब्रियम मीन्स क्या, कलेक्शन ऑफ द लीव्स। बहुत सारे लीव्स जो होते हैं उनको हम कलेक्ट करते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द लीव्स, उनको हम कलेक्ट करते हैं, उनको माउंटेड करते हैं, उनको लेबल करते हैं, उनके नीचे लिखते हैं और सिस्टमेटिकली उन्हें फिक्स करके रखते हैं, क्योंकि हमें साइंटिफिक स्टडी करने के लिए काम आते हैं। आपने मैंगो ट्री देखी है, मैंगो लीव्स कैसे बहुत बड़े होते हैं। आप वैसे देखिए बनियन ट्री के लीव्स होते कैसे होते हैं, बनाना ट्रीज के लीव्स कैसे होते हैं। अगर आप बाहर जाओगे तो आप लीव्स देखोगे, एवरी प्लांट हैज द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द लीव्स। सब प्लांट्स के लीव्स जो होते हैं, पत्ते जो होते हैं डिफरेंट होते हैं। अगर आप बाहर जाओ और देखो, अभी तो बहुत हरियाली है बाहर, आप जाकर आप देख सकते हो, सब पत्ते होते हैं, सब पत्ते अलग अलग होते हैं, ठीक है। The tree said, well, I don't think you know how important these leaves are. Leaves make food for the whole plant, which in turn eaten by animals and birds. So we know the leaves are the very, very important, because leaves are the only one thing they can make their own food. Means with the help of the sun. It's called the photosynthesis. Yes or no? Bitu said, that's great. Can you tell me more about them? Yes. The Bitu said, it's good because the leaves also making the food. ये बहुत अच्छा है कि पत्ते पेड़ के लिए खाना बनाते हैं, और वही पत्ते कौन खाते हैं, एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स दोनों खाते हैं। हम भी खाते हैं, है क्या नहीं, खाते हैं पत्ते। कौन से पत्ते खाते हैं, स्पिनच खाते हो, खाते हैं, मेथी खाते हैं। The tree said, leaves contain green colored pigments called chlorophyll. Leaves contain, the leaves has the content, it's called the pigments chlorophyll. उसके अंदर एक ग्रीन कलर का पिगमेंट होता है, उसे हम क्लोरोफाइल कहते हैं। The chlorophyll traps the sunlight which gives energy to the plant. So what these chlorophylls are doing, it traps the light from the sun. वो लाइट को ऑब्जर्व करता है और उससे एनर्जी मिलती है। It uses sunlight for making food from carbon dioxide and water. It uses sunlight, so these leaves are using the sunlight and also for making from the carbon dioxide and water. Some carbon dioxide also they are taking, water also taking, and this process of making food using sunlight is called photosynthesis. So this process for making food using sunlight is called the photosynthesis. Now uses of leaves. What you will do tomorrow, we will continue to the uses of leaves. कल हम पढ़ेंगे कि uses of leaves क्या होता है और different shapes के leaves के बारे में क्या होते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम एक कल पढ़ेंगे, आज तक सिर्फ इतना ही बस, बहुत हो गया। कल हम फिर से मिलेंगे और फिर से कल हम लीव्स के बारे में ही पढ़ेंगे। तब तक आप घर में ही रहिए, बाहर मत जाइए। यस, बाय बाय।